Hi, garden friends! I hope you have been busy planning or planting your garden. Here are some tips on how to water your garden. I'm also excited to show you how far my garden has grown. Enjoy! So, this is my plants that what's happened to that over the past week. So the basil have I think the leaves only expanded, everything else just stayed. And then the rosemary, they've grown a bit more, and some of them have dirt caught in them. The chives, um, they kind of look funny, the way they are, like how the seed is so tiny, but then the whole entire rest of the thing is so tall. This is my lavender, and it's just growing slowly. Now, over here with my dill, it's a bit weird what's been happening. Since I did not water them that well, like today, I haven't watered them today. Now, part of the stem is shriveling up and now falling down. Over here, the stems of the beets have turned red, more red, like a better vivid red. And the tomatoes actually smell like tomatoes now. And these are the peas. They shot up so much, so now they're taller than the radishes. What's happened with the radishes? There's nothing really that happened. They've just been growing really high. So this is how I water my plants. I use this spray bottle that helps me cover a lot of area with water, and it'll take me less time than using a normal water bottle. I normally spray on the top, and but on a dry day I'd spray it at the bottom so that it waters all the plants instead of watering each row for a long time. And then when the plants have dry soil like this, I normally spray it more than the plants that have nice and humid soil, like the peas or the tomatoes that are here. So, I'm going to show you how I water my plants. You don't want to overwater the plants, so I'm just going to water the dry ones very quick. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please share with your friends and family, and don't forget to like and subscribe!